Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two prerequisites. Wechat is updated, and your device grants location permission. Once you've done that, open Wechat and go directly to the Chat or Discover tab where you'll change location. Tap the 4CD location icon or select people nearby depending on your goal. Make sure background location is allowed if you plan persistent sharing, and toggle VPN off for accurate GPS. This gets you immediately to the feature without extra steps. Now proceed to set or spoof a new location. Now focus on the middle steps. If you need your true position, choose Share Location and drop the pin where you are. If you need a different place, enable mock locations on Android via Developer Options or use Xcode/iOS simulated locations on a Mac. This changes device GPS system-wide. Once the device reports the fake position, return to Wechat, place the marker precisely, and include a short note if needed. Then tap Send. This is why system-level mocking is necessary to change what Wechat sees. Finish by confirming the location message appears for your contact or in people nearby. You should see the correct PIN and timestamp. If it doesn't, make sure location permission is still granted, restart Wechat, and turn off VPN or network proxies. These commonly block GPS. If using mock location, disable it when finished so other apps use accurate GPS. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the device after toggling mock mode and permissions. That often clears stale location data and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.